how to make font size small on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make font size small on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find the chat, and then just go down. Here you will find it. You will find it on medium or anything else, and then just click small and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to change font size to small. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.